I just watched a nature documentary from the television, from the Yleisradio TV1 channel, and it was a photographer speaking on the show in the television program, and he said that in 20 years, lots of bird species in Finland have become endangered and are in danger of becoming extinct. And also, it is important that the nature keeps its monimuotoisuus. So there are a lot of species in nature and all kinds of plants and animals and whatever there are. And people are causing an extinction wave on the planet. And that's very bad. So what can we do? We can live in cities and let the nature be, except that we can grow some plants to eat, agriculture in the countryside, and we should not grow coca and tobacco and opium poppies, and we should not grow plants that are used as drugs. We should not grow drugs, but drug plants. We should grow plants that are edible. So this is a precarious situation. How can we protect the nature when we behave like we do? That's a good question.